Understanding the term hairbrush, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: hairbrush. We'll explore what it means, how it's used, and some interesting facts about it. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, stay tuned because this video is for you. A hairbrush is a common tool used for grooming, styling, and maintaining hair. It consists of a handle and bristles, which can be made from various materials such as plastic, metal, or natural fibers. The main purpose of a hairbrush is to detangle hair, distribute natural oils, and help in styling. There are several types of hairbrushes available in the market, each designed for a specific purpose. Let's take a quick look at some of them. Paddle brush. Ideal for long and straight hair, it helps in smoothing and detangling. Round brush. Perfect for creating volume and curls, especially in short to medium hair. Vent brush. With its open back, it allows air from the blow dryer to pass through, speeding up drying time and adding volume. Wide tooth comb. Not exactly a brush, but it's great for detangling wet hair with minimal breakage. Using a hairbrush properly can make a significant difference in the health and appearance of your hair. Here are some tips. 1. Start from the bottom. Begin brushing at the ends of your hair and gradually work your way up to prevent breakage. 2. Be gentle. Don't force the brush through tangles. Instead, gently work through them. 3. Clean your brush. Regularly remove hair and buildup from your brush to maintain its effectiveness. The hairbrush has a long history and has been made from various materials over the centuries, including bone, wood, and ivory. It's not just a tool for grooming. It also holds a place in art, culture, and fashion. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what a hairbrush is, its different types, and how to use it properly. Remember, choosing the right brush and using it correctly can contribute significantly to the health of your hair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.